get ready with me for our first family Christmas card, photo shoot. Last year, for our first family Christmas, I didn't do anything special for the Christmas cards. I just took a picture of Kennedy here at the house because I was 5 weeks postpartum and I really wasn't thinking about Christmas cards. So we just took a cute picture of her here. What's actually so funny is that I had no plans for what we were going to do for our Christmas card this year. And then I was on Instagram and I saw that my wedding photographer was doing Christmas, she calls them mini sessions. And so I was like, wait a second, what? Like I said, I just happened to stumble upon her story when she was announcing that her schedule was out and you could book a Christmas session with her. Little did I know that my sisters had actually had it in their calendar that she was releasing photo sessions that day. And while I was just coincidentally booking one, they were also booking the same photo shoot as well. Obviously, different times, different sessions, different days as well, but the same concept, the same Christmas photo shoot basically. Which, now that I think about it, that means that our family is literally gonna get 3 Christmas cards. Literally the same Christmas cards. Well, our Christmas cards will look different, but the photos will be the same theme, vibe. So actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think we all booked the same theme. So the photographer was offering a few different types of different days or different sets. So one day you could go to her studio and you could do Christmas, almost a little Christmas baking thing as the Christmas card, and that would be the vibe, cute Christmas pajamas. And then I think she was doing Christmas tree farm, and then she was doing a truck at a Christmas tree farm. So y'all know, you've seen my Christmas decorations, y'all know how I feel about the whole Christmas truck vibe, aesthetic. So obviously I picked the Christmas truck, and knowing them, they probably did too. This has literally been on the calendar for over a month now. Thankfully, I bought something for Kennedy to wear last Friday. I got 2 different options. And I actually already showed you guys it, I think, in a clothing haul that I did last Friday, so a week ago. I got Kennedy. It's basically a long sleeve bubble romper, and it's plaid, buffalo. I think it's plaid, not buffalo check. And I got it for her, 1 red, 1 green, and I was gonna have her wear the red, but then Carl was like, oh, I think I'm gonna wear this cranberry colored sweater, and I was like, that's perfect, I'll put her in the green. But now the question of what am I going to wear, because the literal only maternity top that I have bought this pregnancy is green. Dexter's barking. So this, it blends. This is going to be really interesting. I have no idea what I'm wearing, and we literally need to leave the house in an hour. I'm assuming that the Christmas cards, the pictures, aren't going to be ready for at least a couple weeks. So I'm actually not going to waste any time, and I think tonight I'm going to start looking up the different types of cards that you can get with the designs and stuff. And I'm not going to tell anybody, meaning my sisters. I'm not going to tell them which website I'm using this year, because then what if they pick the same one and then it's the same card and the same photo? You see what I mean? I know what you're wondering. Will Dexter be in the photos? I did see on the photographer's website. I'm pretty sure I saw it, but it said no animals. So unfortunately, Dexter's not going to be in the actual photo. However, I'm going to include him on the back in his own little photo, because obviously he's included. My lips are really chapped. So I'm hoping that maybe if I put some lipstick on, we can try and hide that up. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm thinking of just showing Carl my makeup like this and being like, hey, hon, what do you think? Look who's up from nap. This is my second coffee, by the way. Now, what do we need to do next? I have not put makeup on. Dexter! I haven't put makeup on in 2 weeks, so now I'm trying to think. What is next? Okay, blush. We need some blush. 'Cause I'm a little bit pale. I like to kind of wipe some of it off. Do a little bit on there. I love the way this blush smells. Okay, maybe I took too much off the brush. There we go. There we go. I think if my one pair of maternity jeans is clean, I think I'm gonna wear those with that green sweater. I don't know. I'll probably make another video just about what we're wearing because I really have no idea. This video will be an hour if I put that in the end of this video, and we're already at 5 minutes, so. Now I'm gonna go in. I use my highlighter as my eyeshadow as well. So, and I literally just put it on my whole eye. Listen, it's very convenient, especially like when you're on the go, that you can just grab this and you don't have to be like, oh, I need this, all these different ones. That's why, kind of like why I do it, because it's just so easy. And then I like to put a little bit right there on my cheekbone. Okay, and then I gotta do my other eye. I'm so excited for these pictures, though. It's gonna be so cute. And then the last thing I do with the highlighter, because I put a little bit on the bridge of my nose, and that's it for highlighter. I just got a text from my dad and one of my sisters, and they are actually currently at the grocery store together buying stuff to make sandwiches. And now I'm not happy because that's me and my dad's thing, is we go to the grocery store and then we get very overwhelmed in the cheese department, and then we come home with a ton of cheese, and then my mom's like, I thought you guys were going to pick up bread, and then you come home with all of this stuff for a charcuterie board. It's me and my dad's thing. My sister and him went. Okay, I just put some mascara on, and now I need to figure out which lipstick, and again, my lips are chapped, so I need to try and figure out a way to like not make them look chapped, and I don't know which color, because I feel like these could both be like Christmassy, you know what I mean? This one's a bit more purple though. This one's a bit more everyday me. All right, I'm gonna do this one. Okay, now this is gonna be tough. I don't do, that's something else about me. I do not do lip liner. Oh, I hate it already. I'm gonna have to overline my lips. I don't use lip liner, okay? I don't. My mom is always like, what? I don't. I just... So, let me just... Oh, no. Oh, hold on. I need to get in the mirror for this. Oh, no. That didn't work. Hold on. Let me try and fix this. Okay, I feel like I might have done it, but for me, this feels a little bit strange because it kind of looks like I have lips. You know what I mean? And like I have really tiny lips, so give me 1 second. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Probably gonna blot some of this off, and I gotta go pick an outfit. Bye.